Okay guys, welcome back. I'm at the point now where I'm ready to paint the backdrop, and as you can see, the seams turned out relatively well. I'm pleased with them. You can see got a nice blend going on here. There's absolutely no ridge. I don't know if you can tell, you can still kind of make out just a little bit of what appears to be the drywall tape. And it might be the very top of the tape, but it hasn't been sanded into, so no, the integrity of the tapes has not been compromised. The reason I wanted to keep it so close to the tape and not put on another layer of joint compound was just I'm trying to keep this as flat as I can going across like this without there being a little bit of a build up here to cover up the tape completely. So the other seam turned out the same way. You probably can't see it from here, but what I wanted to talk to you about today is paint, because that's what I'm getting ready to do. So what I did is I went to Home Depot and I bought this this Behr paint here and had them mix up. I'm gonna swatch out here. It's called National Anthem. M520-6, and it's this color right here. Get up here. Yeah, this color right here. So my plan is to the first thing I'm going to do is I've got this Kills 2 latex primer, and I'm going to put a coat of this on first, just to prep the hardboard, because the hardboard it's kind of porous, and I can already tell it just when I try to wipe it with a wet rag, it just soaks it right up. So I'm gonna prep the surface first with this here, and then after I get that prepped and it dries, and I'll come back and paint the top part, probably about the top half. Paint the top half blue using the roller. Like this. Maybe even just a third of the top half. I don't know yet. I'm going to see how it looks as it goes on. Then after I get the blue put on, then what I'm going to do is come back and mix. I'm going to test it, but I'm thinking right now, I'm thinking 2 parts blue to this 1 part white. By the way, both of these are flats. It's flat paint. It's not eggshell. It's not semi-gloss or satin. It's flat, and the reason I wanted it flat was because I don't want any reflection on the backdrop, because that just probably wouldn't look realistic. So yeah, I'm going to mix 2 parts blue to 1 part white, and again paint the bottom half down here with the roller like so, and then I'll come in with got a couple of different brushes here, but probably come in with a 2-inch brush or whatever I find works good, and just kind of feather it, kind of blend it in, up into the blue, so I can get that kind of that horizon color effect all the way up to transitioning into the blue, which is more pronounced directly above you. So let me go ahead and get the primer on here, and I will come back and show you what that looks like.